Well, hello friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Clinton and in this channel you're going to find tutorials on drawing and painting. One of the important tools as painters for us is our brushes, and we need to keep them in a good condition at all times. In this video, I'm going to show you how to properly clean the brushes, especially the acrylic ones. Make sure you like the video and please consider subscribing to my channel, and feel free to drop a comment on this video as well. Friends, the materials you're going to need for this is a little bit of water and a detergent soap. Okay, so I have a loaded brush here with the yellow paint. First, I'm going to use water and just clean it off a bit, and then use the detergent soap this way. The paint tends to get stuck at the root of the brush. Okay, so what we need to do is just use your nails to remove that paint from the root of the brush. Okay, do this at least 2 times. This will make sure that the paint is thoroughly out of the brush. Then clean it with the fresh water and wipe the excess water out, and now the brush is as good as new. Well friends, this is how I clean my brushes, and I have been using these brushes for over a year now. I have painted at least 100 paintings with these brushes. All the videos that I've uploaded so far, you can see that I've used this almost on all of the paintings. Try this method out on how to clean the brushes. I'm sure it will work. And one more thing, when you're painting, make sure you dip your brushes in this much of water. Make sure the water doesn't reach the handle, just the ferrule. So this will make sure that your brushes won't dry out. So friends, that's it for today. I hope that this video has been of some use to you, and feel free to drop a comment on this video. And on that note, I will see you in the next video. Take care.